Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix like use secure DNS setting is disabled in your browser. So how can you fix that? As you can see, my setting is on. I can use any of the secure DNS whenever I want, but if in your case it is disabled, so what you need to do is just go into search section and just search a registry editor. Open this. So once you open the registry editor, you will see basically address like computer h key current user. So inside this section, you just need to paste this address. Let me just select all and paste this computer h key current user software, and inside software select the policies folder. Otherwise you can go inside these folders manually as well. Once you're inside these, as you can see inside the policies, I see two folder. One is Microsoft and the second one is Power. But in your case, you will also see the third folder, which is called Google. So make sure to open the Google and you will see files inside this right section. So make sure to select those extra files or those extra privacy files which are have been added by the Google inside your PC or laptop. So make sure to delete those extra files. Once you delete them, you just need to restart your Chrome browser, and after that, as you can see, you will be able to use your secure DNS easily inside your laptop or PC. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can fix that.